So what are you looking for there?
What the cap is rated at for pressure, and then I put the same amount of pressure and pump it into the system. 18 pounds of pressure, 1/8.
Whoa!
Oh, it's the radiator.
Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
When we lift the condenser up, we can't remove it because it's still attached by the high pressure line. So we're just going to move it out of the way. Thank you. Okay, so we'll just lift that up later and get it out of the way as the radiator comes out. Not much room. The lines don't give you much room to move and push it out of the way. So I'm going to hook the wire for the radiator fans. Pull this red clip out of the way, the connector assurance tab. This red tab comes out. That out. Connector assurance lock. I'd unplug this now. Squeeze that tab right there. Pull it out. Okay, let's drain this radiator now. Let's put it up in the air and drain the radiator. See the drain right there? Called the petcock. The drain called the petcock.
Yeah.
It's got a tube on the bottom that'll direct the coolant into the bucket.
Turn it counterclockwise.
Why is it not coming? No, which I might splash. It's not backing out the right way. It's supposed to pull the seal off with it, so but the seal's not coming out. The seal's stuck in the hole. This is going to splash out quick. Put it there for now. Loosen up this hose where the clamp has been. Break the seal of the rubber. Some coolant might come out, so put this up. This has lubricity. It's got some, feels like slippery all the time, so your hands are always wet. So now we got the two bolts right here. One in that cavity. One over here, one over here. Right there. So I'm going to put some oil on those threads to get rid of the rust, help with penetrating oil. 6 points instead of 12 because it's more contact area to 6 points. This one's way down there. If I can get my hand in there. Very carefully, you don't want to break that clip. So I feel resistance. I'm going to back it up. I'm going to back it up now. I'm going to do it right. Again, air tools come in handy, make this a faster job, but rusted bolts like this, 17 years old, that have been removed, you don't want to let the extra torque, that inconvenience of an air wrench, start snapping bolts, and clips and nuts, cross threading. It's best if you break them loose free, and if they're rusted, continue doing it by hand, break it loose by hand first, until you get a real good feel for what can break and when it's not going to break. That comes with experience. Excuse me. Okay. Side over here. The head on this one's all rusted out. See, the socket doesn't want to go on there. There's so much rust. It's kind of deformed. It's a little more than a 10 millimeter. So I got to try and break the rust away or force it on until it bottoms out in the washer. Now I get full contact. Oh, this doesn't feel good. It's really tight. It'll take a little finesse to keep this from breaking. Okay. That's definitely not want to spin. So I'm going to back it and try and break the rust again. All that happened, I can tell, is just the clip is rotating, not the threads inside the clip, or the bolt inside. Probably see it right through there. I want to see the bolt rotating, not this. I don't see that rotating, the clip is binding up. I'm going to go back and forth with it. Yeah, that tip of that bolt is really rusted quite a bit. So I'm gonna, it's moving, as you can see, as the ratchet handle moves down, it rotates with, the bolt rotates with it. So I'm gonna go clockwise now, tighten it back up, break the rust. And whatever rust happens to break or flake off, I get a chance to clean it back out. I'm pushing the bolt back out. Looks like this deserves a little more of that lubricant. A little more lubricant just to help it along. Give it a little second to work in. And give it a few seconds to work in while I take a quick drink. Counterclockwise again. Make sure the bolt is rotating and not just binding up on the clip, because I don't want to snap that clip. I need to be able to see it also. Clockwise again. Clean the threads out. Okay, go to clockwise to remove it. Okay, look at the rust on that. 17 years. Been removed.
You have the new radiator in, connecting all the hoses.
Okay, we also want to look over here. It should hold pressure, right? And build up to 16 pounds. I'm going to look down there and see if any water comes out under the pump. Ready? Get that? So 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds, 9 pounds on the outside ring, right? The blue is kilopascals, the black is PSI. I'm going to go to what the cap is rated at. Okay, so let me look down at the water pump area the best I can. Nothing coming out. So the radiator was the bad problem. So it's holding pressure. See that? I'll bring it up to 15. Alright. Let it sit, we'll come back to it in a minute. We're gonna say that it's not leaking for now. We're gonna release the pressure. Slowly. Make sure the pressure's down. So I'm going to stop the engine now, put the heater on, hot temp so the coolant will circulate through the heater core and get all the air out of the system. And we'll top off the fluids, the coolant, check the oil also.